In my soul, in my soul, in my soul, in my soul, I feel so alive. I feel so alive. I feel so alive. In my soul, in my soul, in my soul, in my soul, I feel so alive. I feel so alive. I feel so alive. In my soul, 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 I feel so alive.
Can I get a bite of that? Is that any good? Can I use your fork? All right, cool.
Where's that at?
Oh, dude, that's delicious.
Russian nerds!
That's funny.
Dude, I've been drinking water all day.
It's a dry heat. So I'm from Indiana. What's your favorite thing about Austin?
Dude, the water, man. Absolutely the water. Like, you have Lake Travis, you have Lake, Lady Bird Lake. I can go to Red Bud Isle with my dog if I had one. I can go swimming, Barton Creek. That's all I love.
I thought you meant like the drinking water. You're right. You're right. The lakes. Whoa, that guy. It was freaking phenomenal.
Is your car?
No, but I was trying to charge my phone. I thought it was like a charging station.
Oh, okay.
You know, it said charger.
Yeah.